Hello there. Today I have best 3D printer for you. Anycubic Kobra S1, which support multi-color printing. Features a full metal hot end capable of reaching a peak temperature of 320 degrees Celsius. A benchy can be completed in 15 minutes with 600 mm per second ultra high speed to save your time. Its hotbed can consistently maintain a maximum temperature of 120 degrees Celsius, enabling effortless printing of filaments such as ABS, ASA, and other materials. Fully enclosed CoreXY construction with 250 by 250 by 250 mm size. Kobra OS system and cooling system minimize vibrations and enhances the responsiveness to improve the quality of printing. LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling system allows for effortless automatic bed leveling. The built-in camera can achieve AI monitoring, belt tension monitoring and seamless operation. Instantly detects and alerts you to anomalies such as spaghetti, ensuring smooth operation. Resonance compensation and flow correction eliminate resonance patterns in all models and enhance printing accuracy. Slicer Next is equipped with different specifications and filaments parameter sets. And app supports remote control and elapsed time recording. Macronline offers many free model resources. By now this best 3D printer, perfect for makers, hobbyists, engineers, and professionals who want speed, precision, and reliability in one machine. Link in description and also in comment box.